Hey guys, welcome back to Earth's Medicine. Today we're going to be featuring a Jamaican medicinal tree by the name of prickly ash. Prickly ash has been used in traditional folklore medicine in Jamaica and in other countries to treat different ailments for eons. One of the outstanding things about prickly ash is its analgesic property, meaning its pain relieving property. It has the ability to work really fast, and its pain relieving property is long lasting, especially as it relates to treating the symptoms of arthritic conditions and other painful conditions. So we're going to be looking more closely at these medicinal properties and also how persons in different countries use this tree in their traditional folklore medicine. Keep watching.
Alright guys, you're now looking at a tree whose scientific name is Zanthoxylum Martinicense. And Zanthoxylum Martinicense belongs to the Rutaceae plant family and the genus Zanthoxylum, which comprises of about 250 species of deciduous or evergreen trees, shrubs, and climbers. And deciduous trees are basically trees that shed their leaves at the end of the growing season. And of course, evergreen trees are the ones that remain green and functional through more than one growing season. So apart from prickly ash, some of the other common names for Zanthoxylum Martinicense are toothache tree, prickly yellow, white prickly ash, yellow prickle, and yellow Hercules, among other common names. So the prickly ash tree can be described as a fairly fast growing tree. And the crown of the tree, as you can see, is sparse, and it has leaves that are light green in color, and they are divided into smaller leaflets, and these leaflets are arranged on each side of the leaf's central stalk. The trunk of the tree is light in color, and it can grow up to about 65 feet tall and about 45 centimeters in diameter. Both the trunk and branches of the tree have a lot of these thick scattered knobs. They also have thorns on them, and the twigs have smaller knobs and thorns. The bark and wood are aromatic, and I wanted to show you guys what the flowers and fruits look like, but unfortunately these trees are not flowering and fruiting at the moment. But the flowers are small and they are white to greenish yellow in color. And the fruits have 5 parts, and each of them splits open, and on the inside is one small shiny black seed, which birds absolutely love to eat. So here is a young tree, and as you can see, the stems are green and there are no knobs present. But all of this will change as the tree matures. There is this Jamaican fable. In the olden days, Jamaican men were asked by the fathers of the women who they loved to prove their undying love for their daughters by climbing this tree naked. So I'm asking the men who are watching this video, would you climb this tree for the woman you love? Prickly ash can be found growing in the West Indies and the northern parts of South America, including Colombia, Ecuador, and Venezuela. So guys, prickly ash trees can be found growing organically and wildly pretty much all over Jamaica, mostly in forests and in cow pastures. Due to the fact that cattle have a tendency to want to break down fences, it is said that these fences were built close to the prickly ash trees to help to deter the cows from doing so, and also to prevent intruders from trespassing on people's property.
So guys, most trees from the Zanthoxylum genus contain antioxidants, and they have anti-inflammatory properties. They can help to destroy parasites in the body.
They have antibiotics and analgesic, as well as
anti-hepatotoxic properties. So what that means is that they can help to protect the liver from damage. They have antiviral and antifungal properties, and they have cytotoxic properties, and they have properties that can help to prevent malignant cells from spreading to surrounding tissues as well. They are diuretics. That means that they can help to flush excess water and salt from the body. They can cause us to perspire more, and that can help with reducing fevers. They have properties that can help with flatulence as well, and they also have astringent properties and antifungal properties as well.
Okay guys, I am just going to take you away from the video just for a moment. I am just super elated that you made it this far, and I just want to thank you for that. And if so far you have found value in this video, then please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now, and please turn on your post notifications so that you will be the first one to know when we upload our very next video. Also guys, please go ahead and hit that like button right now. And if you'd like to add to whatever was said in this video, then please feel free to go ahead and leave your comment and share the video as well, so that other persons can benefit from this information as well. Again, thank you so much guys. Now let's get right back to the video. The bark of the tree is used in traditional folklore medicine for toothaches, and this is usually done by removing a piece of the bark from the tree and chewing on it. This usually dulls the pain locally within minutes. The juice of the bark isn't usually ingested, however, even though it has a nice flavor. The bark of the tree is also used for colic and rheumatism as well. Some persons also use the bark of the tree to make a poultice, and then they just apply this to different parts of the body that is painful.
And the leaves and fruits are used for mouth and tooth care. Persons also use it to improve their lymphatic system and to improve the supply of blood to their small blood vessels. It is also used as a tonic, to help to strengthen the body. And people use the fruit as a digestive appetizer, and they also use it to treat problems of the mouth, the teeth and the throat, as a pain reliever, to treat heart disease, piles, bronchitis, as well as asthma. In Jamaica, it is used for rheumatism and paralysis of the tongue, and it is also used to reduce fever. In the past, they used the root bark to treat toothaches and also as an ulcer dressing. It was also believed that the infusion could help to relieve spasms, and it was used as an eye lotion as well.
The leaves are also crushed and applied to painful areas of the body, which is said to dull the pain locally. In Haiti, the macerated bark is placed into cane alcohol and used orally to treat digestive tract issues. But some people use the macerated leaf decoction instead. The macerated bark decoction is also taken orally for teething issues. For toothaches, they just chew on the bark, and for sores, they apply the leaf poultice to areas of the body that are affected. In Cuba, the tree is used to treat diarrhea, heart disease, and many types of pain, such as ear, muscle, and toothaches. Although prickly ash is used in traditional folklore medicine to treat several ailments, there really isn't enough evidence to substantiate some of these claimed health benefits. However, this doesn't mean that the plant doesn't have these health benefits, or that it isn't safe to use medicinally. It just means that more medical research is needed. There are dangers associated with the use of herbal remedies. If you would like to learn more about the latter, then please click on the link in the description below. Medical disclaimer: the information shared on Earth's Medicine is for the purpose of enlightenment. It is not to be used as a substitute for pharmaceutical medicine. If you are feeling ill or you have any health concerns, please speak to your doctor about same.